5 years ago, I used this same crochet hair before I had Microlocs. And now I want to see how it looks on top of my Microlocs. And praise God to those 942 people who supported that video, because baby, y'all was committed. So before we get started, I wanted you to see my scalp. I do have some dry scalp, but we're not going to take these braids down, honey. We just going to roll with it. The two products that I'm going to use to moisturize my scalp are going to be the Wild Growth Oil, the As I Am Rice Water. And while we back here, I know you guys can see my braid pattern, and we're gonna fix this right here. Just pin it down. I'm not big on doing thread on my Microlocs because that's not good. That will pull your Microlocs out faster than whatever will pull your Microlocs out. So crochet is pretty simple. I think most people have seen crochet tutorials. If you have not, then you're gonna need a crochet needle like so. And then you're gonna need a pair of scissors with this hairstyle because it gets large. So as long as you have those two tools, we will go ahead and get started by opening up the first pack of hair, and let me show you what that looks like. I purchased from the Jamaican Bounce hair. This is the number 4. Typically I split this open like so. Okay, this makes more than one, so I am going to split it into about 2 because I have a lot of hair in the back. This is going to be a little bit different than the first time. Let me get close so you can see. Pull it down through. You grab the root of it, split it open like this, and then just pull it through straight like that, and then just pull it around. That's it. You have officially crocheted your first piece of hair onto your Microlocs.
Hook up under hair like this. Hook is open. Put the hair in. Make sure the hook is closed. Pull it down so it doesn't snag your hair. Snag your Microloc. Pull it in and pull it through. Just like that.
We'll speed this up. I may run out of hair. When I left the store, I could have sworn I purchased 4 packs of this hair, 4 packs of the natural color. Looked at my receipt, noticed that I had only had 3. Something else that I'm doing differently, I'm splitting less of my hair and using the whole actual curl. It covers more. I'm anxious to turn around and let y'all see the back, but I'm also afraid.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest.
2 strands left. Feels so sad. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I don't know where to put it. It takes a lot of hair to cover Microlocs. Oh God. I looked at the color, but I did look at the color because I thought it was the same color as my current hair color. Not so much. We're gonna make it work. This is the color. Everything is figure outable. I'll show you guys what it looked like when I come back. I don't know if it's giving the same thing it gave when I was a loose natural. Maybe I've become accustomed to my Microlocs and how they look. I know y'all comment below. Let me know what y'all feeling right now. How y'all feeling? All right. So I did a little shaping and it is coming together. It's looking a lot like it looked 5 years ago. I will tell you that. Bang or no bang? Or should I leave the part? Looking at it on camera, it says bang, yang, 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 yang. If we do a little situation here, I'll be back. Some pros and cons of this hair. If you are a person that gets hot flashes and you are naturally a warm-bodied person, this may not be the hair for you. Not only that, if you don't like big hair on yourself, don't even take the chance. But if you love big hair, this is the hair for you. I also love that I can cut it and then the coils just kind of bounce back, and I do not have to put anything on it. I probably could, but I'm not. I'm lazy. That's a plus. If you are a lazy girl, this is lazy girl friendly. Us women who are used to Microlocs are used to not having a lot of maintenance. So she's that girl. It's lightweight. It's not heavy at all. The biggest thing to me is the braid, the bulk in the back because of my own natural hair, my Microlocs. So if you're a beginner with starter locks, then child, you're gonna be just fine. This is for someone who wants to change temporarily and does not want to get rid of their Microlocs. That is who I think any type of crochet style is for. Would I do this again? Of course. If you have any recommendations of different types of crochet hair for your girl, let me know. Overall, I am really glad that I did this because now I know that this hair will look the same over my Microlocs as it did over my natural hair. Make sure you guys go back and take a look at that video though. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
But it's harder on the cold day. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah.